Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the key phrases and vocabulary from episode 3 of The Secret of Us. Remember, each video builds on the last, so if you haven't seen the previous episodes, go check them out first to get the most out of this one. Before we get started, if you enjoy my videos, I kindly request that you hit the like button to support me. Now, let's jump right in.
คุณคะเป็นอะไรไหมคะคุณคะเป็นอะไรไหมคะ
Means, are you okay? Or is something wrong? It's a common phrase in Thai when you notice someone might be upset, hurt, or otherwise not okay.
คุณ
It's a polite and formal pronoun used to address someone respectfully. Think of it like saying sir or ma'am in English, but it's used for both genders.
เป็น
Here is functioning as the verb to be. It's part of the question asking if something is wrong with the person, like, is there something wrong?
อะไร
Means what in general, but in this context, it's asking what the problem might be.
ไหม
A question particle used to turn a statement into a yes-no question. It's like asking, is that so, or is it, in English. Here, it's asking, are you okay, or is something wrong?
คุณคะเป็นอะไรไหมคะที่นี่โรงพยาบาล
Means here is a hospital, or this place is a hospital.
ที่
This means place or at, but when combined with
นี่
it becomes here.
โรง
This means building or place, often used in context with large buildings or institutions.
พยาบาล
Means nurse.
ที่นี่โรงพยาบาลจริงเหรอใช่ค่ะจริงเหรอใช่ค่ะ
This phrase is used to express surprise or disbelief, similar to saying really or is it true?
จริง
Means true or real.
หรอ
Is a commonly used Thai word that functions as a question particle. It is often added at the end of a sentence to indicate that the speaker is asking for confirmation, expressing surprise, or showing doubt.
ใช่ค่ะ
This is a polite response, meaning yes.
จริงเหรอใช่ค่ะจริงเหรอใช่ค่ะสบายดีค่ะดีใจจังสบายดีค่ะดีใจจัง
Means I am fine and I'm so glad.
สบาย
Means comfortable, relaxed, healthy. When combined with
ดี
meaning good and it forms,
สบายดี
which is commonly used to express that someone is feeling well or is in good health.
ดีใจ
Means happy or glad and
จัง
is a particle used to emphasize the feeling, similar to saying so or very in English. When combined,
ดีใจจัง
means so happy or very happy.
ใจ
Is often used in various expressions to convey different emotions related to the mind or heart. For instance,
ใจดี
means kind-hearted, and
เสียใจ
means sorry or sad. Understanding how
ใจ
is used in different contexts can greatly enhance your comprehension of Thai emotional expressions.
สบายดีค่ะดีใจจังสบายดีค่ะดีใจจัง มันใช่เรื่องน่าดีใจไหมมันใช่เรื่องน่าดีใจไหม
means, is this really something to be happy about? Or, more directly, is this a happy matter?
มัน
is quite versatile and can have different meanings depending on the context. In the sentence we're discussing, it means it or this, referring to the subject of the conversation. This word can refer to objects, animals, or even people. However, when used to refer to people, particularly adults, it can come across as rude or disrespectful. Such usage is generally acceptable only in casual or familiar settings, like among close friends. In other contexts, it's best to avoid using this word to refer to people to prevent any misunderstandings or offense.
ใช่ ใช่
Yes, or correct, used here to confirm or question whether something is true or appropriate.
เรื่อง
Story, matter, or thing. It refers to a topic, issue, or situation. In the sentence, it specifies the particular matter or issue being discussed.
หน้า
Often used before verbs or adjectives to suggest something is worthy of or likely to cause a certain feeling. In the sentence, it modifies
ดีใจ
to suggest that something is worthy of being happy about or should cause happiness.
ไหม
A question particle used to turn the statement into a question.
มันใช่เรื่องน่าดีใจไหมมันใช่เรื่องน่าดีใจไหมทำอะไรโง่ๆทำอะไรโง่ๆ
means you did something stupid. The phrase implies that a foolish action was done in the past. Using
ท
which means to do or to make, at the beginning of the sentence emphasizes the action being performed. In this case, it highlights the act of doing something foolish or stupid. The sentence structure is clear and direct, aligning with how Thai verbs do not change form based on tense, person, or number, making it straightforward to use across different contexts. In this sentence,
ท
sets the tone for what the speaker is addressing, specifically, the action of doing something, followed by the object.
ำ อะไร
Which general means what, but in this sentence is something. And the adjective
โง่
means stupid or foolish.
ทำอะไรโง่ๆทำอะไรโง่ๆพี่หมอคะพี่หมอกำลังเข้าใจเอิญผิดนะคะพี่หมอคะพี่หมอกำลังเข้าใจเอิญผิดนะคะ
means, doctor, you are misunderstanding me.
กำลัง
indicates that the action is ongoing, equivalent to ing in English.
เข้าใจ
To understand.
เข้า
To enter, to get in.
ใจ
As we mentioned before, means mind or heart.
ผิด
Means wrong, incorrect.
พี่หมอคะพี่หมอกำลังเข้าใจเอิญผิดนะคะพี่หมอคะพี่หมอกำลังเข้าใจเอิญผิดนะคะเข้าใจผิดยังไงคะเข้าใจผิดยังไงคะ
The question is asking for clarification on how or in what way there has been a misunderstanding. It's a polite way of asking someone to explain what they might be misinterpreting or getting wrong.
เข้าใจ
To understand.
ผิด
Wrong or incorrect. Together.
เข้าใจผิด
Means to misunderstand.
ยังไง
How or in what way? In the context of this sentence, it asks for clarification on what the misunderstanding is.
เข้าใจผิดยังไงคะเข้าใจผิดยังไงคะเอิญก็แค่อยากรู้เอิญก็แค่อยากรู้
means I just wanted to know or I only wanted to know.
ก็
This word can mean just, also, or still, depending on context. In this sentence, it softens the statement, indicating that the desire to know is not a big deal or is something simple.
แค่
Just or only, reinforcing the modesty or simplicity of the speaker's curiosity.
อยาก
Means want or desire.
รู้
Means to know.
เอิญก็แค่อยากรู้
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel and reach more people. Thank you for watching.